Hello, my name is Aaron and welcome to a quick video about how to check your shutter count on Sony mirrorless cameras. So take a JPEG file or a raw image file from your camera before you've edited it and go to one of these two websites. The first of which is tools.science.si, and if you drag in, say for example here, a JPEG, you can see here straight away your shutter count. Mine is 4,495, and you can do the same with a raw file, comes up straight away. The other option is shuttercounter.com, and you can do exactly the same. It takes a little bit longer because this actually uploads the file, shows you again exactly the same data, and if you hit OK, you can find out loads more information if required about the image. So the full resolution, what format it was taken in, what lens it was taken with, what the mount system was, everything you'd need to know basically is here loads of times, but that important stuff is on that first page. And you can do exactly the same with the raw image as well, which takes a little bit longer. There you can see again the shutter count for this camera. So there we have it, just a couple of really quick ways to check your shutter count. This can be really useful if you're selling your camera and the buyer requests your shutter count, which isn't always obvious to find, or you've bought a camera secondhand and you want to see how much that camera has been used previously. So if you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and dropping a like on the video. But until next time, see ya.